Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick recipe. So I got some chicken breasts here. They were on sale, so that's why I picked it up. And here is a onion, a yellow onion, and I got some. I'm going to use up my sad cabbage here. That's almost wilting, so to use that up. And I got some carrots, so I'm going to cook it all with water. And then stay tuned. I'm going to season it with some fennel, some garlic salt, and it should turn out pretty good, so stay tuned. Alright, so here it is. It's in water. I got some carrots, I got the cabbage all cut up, got some onions, and it's seasoned. So I'm just going to wait for it to cook up, and then I'll do a quick taste test for you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's all done up here. Let's do a quick taste test. There it is, a piece. It's quite good. You get the flavor of the onions, the herbs, and then you got that little saltiness from the garlic salt. Actually works really well, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.